Wow, that's amazing. What's up, gang, and welcome to your daily dose of TikTok number 6. As you know, these are videos that showed up in my TikTok feed, and I feel the need to share them with you. Lately, for some reason, lightning strikes have been showing up all over my TikTok feed, so guess what we're going to do? We're going to check out some lightning strikes. Let's do it. But before we do that, make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and leave a comment if you want so that YouTube will boost me up in the algorithm. All right, let's do this. Kinda close.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah, that one is sick. I don't know if that was a lightning strike or just a transformer blowing. Could be either.
Oh my god! Are you kidding me?
A little too close for comfort. Run, Forrest, run!
Holy!
Alright, that one for sure was a transformer blowing. I don't know. It could have been a lightning that struck it, but we didn't see it. But for sure, the transformer blew. True story about, I don't know, I don't want to date myself, but back in the 90s, I was at my apartment on my balcony, and about that far away from me, a lightning bolt did strike, and man, it scared the crap out of me. Oh no!
Big anvil strike last night.
I wasn't even out.
I tell you what, lightning bolts are so cool to see. You just don't want to be too close. You know, you want that safe distance, that buffer, but they are so awesome to see.
No, I'm not. Holy oh my god!
Машина. До клевня нет. В стол! В стол!
That tree is going to be toast. Oh, that's actually kind of cool, the way it hit that building. Let's see that again. Yes. That's pretty sick.
Oh, that jumped right over my head.
That's a nice one. Woo! On the water.
Should I do it?
Do it.
Do it.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, do it. Do it.
Okay.
Don't
all
be a
right.
wimp. Go.
Okay.
I thought he was going to slip down the stairs, but there it is. That's my daily dose of TikTok and your daily dose of TikTok. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next amazing video. Take care.